Good morning, everyone. You're watching Fatika News. I'm Fatika Uhti Habibah.
And I am Fatika Rahma Hidayah.
We will bring you the most updated news from all around us that we have prepared for you.
Our first news came from Lebar. The rainy season is a season where the rainfall in certain areas is uptaken. Normally, the rainy season in Indonesia happens from October until April. There are numerous benefits when the rainy season happens, such as reducing air pollution and providing a plentiful supply of water for areas that experience drought. As a result, the rainy season is desired in cities with dry seasons. However, this is not the case in the areas that frequently experience flooding.
In the month of April, rain has been seen frequently in Wonocolo, Surabaya, East Java. Instead of benefiting from the rainy season, the people of Wonocolo are becoming worried as time passes. Every month, flooding occurs in the Wonocolo region, most notably in Lebar and surrounding areas. This phenomenon has become a serious problem, as evidenced by the fact that the location is an area with a high population density, which is made worse by the presence of a large number of students in the surrounding area. The Lebar is located near the Sunan Ampel Islamic State University of Surabaya and serves as a point for students when they come and go from the university to gain their knowledge. Well, what is the reason of the flooding that occurred in Lebar? For the time being, we will call Nurhayatun Fitriyani, one of our colleagues, who will offer information on this reason for the floods in Lebar. Aya, can you hear my voice?
Yes, Fatika, I can hear you clearly. I'm reporting directly from Lebar Wonocolo, Surabaya regarding the frequent flood that happened in this area. As you can see, there's a lot of people passing vehicles, and a lot of students from all over region in Indonesia. It has happened to be a student in Sunan Ampel Islamic State University of Surabaya. This is the reason why this area is densely populated. The dense population in this area is not balanced with a good drainage system and adequate water absorption. The government obviously has put an effort for the construction of the water drainage for this area, but we have not yet seen the significant change of it. As you can see, this area is directly behind the Sunan Ampel Islamic State University of Surabaya, which make this area has a lower land position than the other surrounding highways, including the area in front of the university. This is the reason why this area is flooded, because the water from the rain flow directly into this area. That's what makes this area often flood during the heavy rain. I'm Nurhayatun Fitriyani. That's all my report. Back to the studio.
Thanks, Aya, for the report. Well, from the report, I'm curious about who should be blamed for the flood in Lebar. Who is responsible? Residents asked the Surabaya city government to immediately deal with flooding in their city. Even though there is a ditch It feels very lucky to accommodate water when it heavy rain. The former mayor of Surabaya, Tri Rismawati, once went directly in arranged flood management efforts in Lebar early. She designed her own irrigation system to be used as a flood prevention measure. But the result is nil. There is no chance that can be felt here. Is it the behavior of the people themselves that makes this disaster often happen?
No one can be blamed, but the solution to the flood in Lebar Wonocolo, Surabaya hasn't been released yet. The importance of cooperation from both residents and the Surabaya city government itself to jointly overcome. That's all the information we can convey. I'm Fatika Uhti Habibah.
And I'm Fatika Rahma Hidayah.
We have to say goodbye, good morning, and see you. Stay safe, everyone.
Everyone.